Okay, so today we are going to learn how to set up Tor in a way that no one else is going to show or teach you. You won't learn any of this on hacking sites. If you take a course on hacking, for example, you won't learn this. You won't learn anything like this, and no one is going to show you. It's not out there in the public, but I have some inner secrets that I could share, and you won't find anything like this on YouTube either. So just be aware of how this is going to go. Okay, this is in regard to privacy for Tor. Okay, so let's get on with this. The first thing we are going to do is download VirtualBox. We're going to install it. Okay, so let's take a look at what we're going to do here and to set up Tor for proper private browsing. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here is VirtualBox on a Windows machine. Okay, that's it there. I've downloaded it. As you can see, this is the most recent update. VirtualBox, not VMware Player, VirtualBox. Okay, and we're going to install it, so press next. Okay, you have to press I accept. You have to do that, so press I accept and press next. Press next, that's okay. You can read that there if you need to, and press next. Yes, and this one here, warning network interfaces, press next and just press yes. Yeah, that's right, and uncheck the last box here. There's 4 boxes. Uncheck the last box here. Okay, and when you do that, you go to next. Okay, so just be mindful of that. Go to next and go to install. Okay, always read things before you install them. Always try to do it, and make a habit of it if you can. Okay, that's important. You'll understand why. Okay, I know it's just a lot of legal terminology and all that, but anyway, you get used to it. Okay, and uncheck that and press finish. Okay, now that's that done. Okay, that's VirtualBox 7.1.10 blah 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 Windows X. Okay, now that I have VirtualBox installed, I'd like to install Windows. It's a light version. It's only about 2.6 gigs and so on. So I'm going to open VirtualBox and I'm going to go to new. Okay, and this menu here pops up, as you can see, and I want to install this Windows 11 X Lite. Okay, this version here. Now you can copy the name of it, not the operating system, but the name of it, into the name on VirtualBox, and then pull down and pick wherever that file is. It's on the desktop, so you get it through there and click next or OK or whatever. Set your RAM, processing, and so on, and maybe the settings and so on. Okay. And if you have enough memory, that's good. I give mine about just over a gig, and 4 processors and so on. Okay, so now we'll ask you to start. So just press the green arrow and start it, and when you see this box here, okay, press mount and press the down arrow and look for go to other and go to Windows 11 X Lite. Okay, and get that ready. As you can see, it's loading now. So I leave Windows Defender on. Okay, I don't know, it may make a difference, may not. Okay, so here we go. This is Windows 11 X Lite and so on. So the first thing I need to do with an internet connection, okay, is to I need to download a browser, but before that I might save a snapshot in here. Okay, so I go to, where is it now? Snapshots. Go into snapshots, click on current, go to take, and rename it fresh install of Windows 11. Okay, fresh install of Windows 11, and click OK and next or wherever it is and so on. And once you have that, the next thing you're going to do here is network settings, and click enable, uncheck enable all USB controllers. All the USB controllers, just uncheck that box for VirtualBox. You need to do this. It'll make more sense as we go further on with this, okay? And then we're going to save another snapshot and call it USB disabled or something like that. So I put it in there, USB disabled, okay. Okay, so continue on from USB disabled. So we press OK and so on. Now you have to be really careful with this. You have to be careful with this. You need to know what you're doing. This is not easy, and you press start the virtual machine once again, the Windows virtual machine, and with that green arrow, and wait for it to start. Now we're going to go into that little app, the little bag with the Windows colors on it. Once you have a connection to the internet, connected to the internet, and download a browser of your choice. So I'm just going to download this one here, okay? And I click on install that, okay? Wait for that to install for me on Windows, this Windows virtual machine. And once that's done, we just give it a moment and open the browser that I've just downloaded, okay? Just to make sure it works. I might check it for an internet connection, just maybe later. Skip, uncheck as much as you can here. Just keep on checking things and try not to agree, try not buy into anything, try not subscribe to anything. Just keep it as clean as possible, okay? So here I write in Tor browser, I go to the Tor project, open that link and download for Windows option, okay? So I download it in my downloads folder, okay? And as you can see here, it is now downloaded. That's good, okay? I close that browser, and so there we go, okay? So I'm just going to drag Tor from the downloads folder onto the desktop, drag and drop, okay? Because I want to install it, okay? And so I'm just going to restart this virtual machine and take a snapshot of the Tor browser downloaded. It's uninstalled at the moment, and restart the virtual machine with Windows. Okay. I just want to make sure that everything have clean snapshots of each progress as I go. So now I install Tor browser, go to next, and so on, and let it do its thing. Okay. So you'll notice here I don't hit the run Tor browser. I uncheck that and click next. Okay. There's a few things here for you to follow, and this is not for lay people or people who don't have the capacity to think about this. We're going to go into control panel, okay, on this version of Windows, okay, and we are going to look for network options, okay, or something like that.